Just mix soap powder and salt. Diarist rich people taught, and I was open mouth. To start today's tip, in a container, I will add 3 tablespoons of soap powder, and then also 2 tablespoons of salt. The ideal next is to mix well. I'm sure you have never used these items together. For cleaning the toilet. To dilute, the ideal is also the use of 300 milliliters of water, and then mix again until it has completely diluted. You will be amazed at the effect of this mixture, removing all dirt and stains from the toilet. Next, you will also use alcohol, vinegar, and the optimal amount for the mixture is only 2 tablespoons. Ideally mix well after adding an ingredient. To finish, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being an indispensable item for its alkaline effect, always keeping the toilet fully clean while keeping use. I'm sure you will be impressed by the use of this tip, making it easier to clean and maintaining a pleasant aroma in your bathroom. We will also use a tablespoon of pearl oil. After mixing one last time, we will have the tip ready for use. We can already notice that the consistency is different from all the mixtures that are sold in the markets. To facilitate storage and also in the application, we will put the mixture fully in a bottle, avoiding waste. We will also use a funnel. Just this amount we prepared is enough for use for 2 weeks. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Josephine Formation. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For application, only a small amount is needed, and only using the brush we can remove all the dirt. This ingredient mixture is perfect for cleaning in your bathroom, directly creating a protective layer, thus preventing new stains and dirt, mainly on the toilet. This tip is also perfect for cleaning the sinks, being only necessary to apply, rub with a sponge, and then remove the excess with a cloth. You will be amazed by the use of this mixture in your home, being very simple and effective. Whenever I use in my home, I surprise the visitors by bringing cleaning easily. Tell me later if you got the result you wanted with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.